triangular region. So in this case, if I am given such an equation, then how do we draw the diagram? So this is x equal to 0 is this line, and y is equal to 0 is this line, and x by a plus y by b equal to 1. It makes intercepts a and b. So this point is 0 comma b. This point is this point is 0 comma b. So you have that is because your equation of the line is given like that, x by a. It makes, and this is called the intercept form of equation of a line. Intercept form of equation of a line. So a stands for x intercept and b stands for y intercept. So that means these points are given by this is 0 comma 0. So that is origin. So you have this point to be origin, that is 0 comma 0. And this is a comma 0 on the x-axis. X should vary, y should be 0. And on y-axis, y should vary, x should remain 0. And this is the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So in this case, how are we going to see? In the previous case, we had the limits to be constant. It need not be the case always. So as in this case, when we want to cover one single line, see, we want to cover this. If I want to cover the entire region, as such, this represents only a triangle, outer one. So only that it represents. But when we want to have the region, triangular region, then how are we going to cover the region? How the limits are given? So that is what we are going to see. Now we have, when I start with this, I will have y is equal to 0. Then it goes up, and the end point, initial point is a point on y is equal to 0, and here this is a point on this line. So on this line, what is my y? You can take x by a to the other side, so 1 minus x by a. This b can be cross multiplied, so you have b into 1 minus x by a. So my upper limit for this y will be 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. And how about the limit for x? So you have ranged only y. Now you'll have to cover the entire region. So the entire region is to be covered. So that means I have to give the limit for x. It should range from 0 to a. It should range from 0 to a. So because it moves on the x-axis. And remember, don't think that this line goes like this, so these regions will be covered. No. So that this is the guarding line. இந்த இது வந்து உங்களை அந்த பக்கம் போக விடாம இதுதான் பாதுகாக்குது. ஸோ அதனால அதுக்காக தான் இந்த இடத்துல y is equal to 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. So this line will not go beyond that. So when you range your x from 0 to a, it will go like this only, but remember that this is already guarded by this one, y is equal to b into 1 minus x by a, that is the upper limit. So it is not like the previous one. So here your y depends on x. Your y depends on x. So in this case, as you wish, you cannot integrate. Here we said that as you wish, you can interchange. Whereas here you cannot say as we wish we can interchange. So in this case, double integral, you cannot have it like this. You will have to integrate first with respect to y and give the limits for y only. So here it will be the upper limit. So here you will have so you can have this. I actually removed. That will be your here. It should be here. It should be. So your this limit is for your y. So this limit is for your y. So you'll have to integrate first with respect to y, and then so this y is equal to 0 2. This is y is equal to b into this. So first you will have to integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. So first with respect to y and then only with respect to, in this case, because your y depends on x. So then for x, what should be the limit? It should range from 0 to a.